morning, brother.
It's been a while since we last talked.
Yeah, it's been a year and a half or so since I've been here on Backstage Pass. Thanks for having me back.
Tell me what's happening in your life.
Well, gee, let me see. I've had a little boy, 5.5 months old. Can I do the standard TV hello to my son?
Sure, do it.
Thank you.
Well, that's about it for tonight's show. We do appreciate you watching. There's something I'd like to share with you that I share after each show. You can take a person's money, you can always get it back to them some way, somehow. And when you take a person's time, that's something you can never replace. I hope you've had as much fun watching the show as we've had putting it together for you. Until next time, from me, Joel Samuel, and the Backstage crew, we'll see you then.